Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kiara. I'm a mom to 3 little girls. I make videos about laundry motivation, clean motivation, and grocery hauls. So if you like videos like that, I hope that you would consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a fridge clean out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it.
Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the.
Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So I hope you guys are doing good today. So I hope you guys have been watching my vlogmas / shortmas videos as well. I told you guys that I would be doing vlogmas / shortmas every day until Christmas. So far so good. Hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, like I said before, we are cleaning out my fridge now. Y'all know that I had cooked for Thanksgiving, so of course once you have a whole bunch of leftovers in your refrigerator, 9 times out of 10 you probably need to do a cleaning out of your fridge. And sure enough, I did. Once I got to the bottom, it was really sticky and stuff like that, which led me to believe that somebody must have wasted something in the fridge and never got it up. But the good thing is, because I use these mats in my refrigerator, it doesn't make the cleaning really hard.
I get replays, blue faces, how I decorated the loose page. Remember how I used to serve the plate, clean the food tray, working 8 to 4 from Tuesday through the weekdays. Hustle evenings at the stool off Highway 92 in Haywood, always running just a few late. Tucking a new game, back to the crib and I color in new ways. Building a new blade, but the budget tied me down like shoestrings. Collected the loose change, those were the days that made me. She on my line like a beacon, she could've swore that I was cheating. Be honest, I was barely breathing, chasing the life how I wanted it, knowing that you was all that I need. Puzzle that all of the pieces that fit like a glove, you sit it right in front of me. How I don't see it. Hit up the Brody to fit, like thought that's tonight, take it easy. Am I on or something, or am I reaching to be validated? Instead I get told from the parking space, why do it feel like I could have a vote for the ominous faces to all that won't save us? I thought the ground was for the breaking, look like it's all overrated. Yeah, like it's all overrated. Like it's all overrated to me. Like it's all overrated to me. I can't get no sleep, living in the weeks. Life is bittersweet, I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now, I think that everything.
Also, you guys, let me know in the comments if you guys are done Christmas shopping yet. If you are, good for you. But I know majority of us is still buying stuff little by little, because we all be trying to pay bills and stuff on time, but also buy Christmas gifts for our loved ones. Also, let me know if you put your tree up before Christmas or if you just put yours up. We still have not put our tree up yet, but I think I told you guys it's because a fuse had blew, and I've just been too scared to use any more electricity more than we have to. Alright y'all, so all I used to clean out my fridge was some multi-purpose disinfectant, cleaning a Great Value one, and I used one of those little scrubby things or whatever, and then I took a microfiber cloth to wipe it out. So now I am cleaning out the bottom. I just found this to be way easier than trying to put it in my sink and then I'll be dragging water everywhere. Like I said, y'all, because I have these mats in my refrigerator doesn't get too dirty, but of course at least once a month you still need to go in and make sure you clean and disinfect your refrigerator. Alright, y'all, so now I am cleaning out the freezer. One thing about the freezer is like one of the quickest things to clean when you're cleaning out the fridge. And the freezer, I don't know, for some reason the freezer just doesn't get that dirty. At the most part you might see like a little bit of crumbs in there, but other than that it's pretty much clean for the most part. So just gonna give it a wipe down with the same multi-purpose cleaner and then just put everything back. Alright, y'all, so that's going to conclude today's video. Hope this video gave you lots of motivation to get up and get some things done around your home. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.